In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make logo for card in the header. By the end, you'll have a clean professional logo placed at the very top of your card site. Have your logo file ready. PNG with a transparent background is ideal, and SVG is great if you want super crisp results at any size. Start by heading to card.so and opening your dashboard. Select the project you want to edit to jump into the builder. We'll begin by creating a dedicated header area. Click Add and choose Container. Drag this container to the very top of your page so it sits above all other content. This container will serve as your header, keeping your logo neatly organized and separate from the rest of the layout. Next, we'll tell Card exactly where the header begins. Click Add again and choose Control. Open the Type dropdown and select a header marker. Place this marker directly under your header container in the layer list or on the canvas. The marker itself won't appear on your site. It simply signals to Card that everything above it is part of the header, which helps keep spacing and behavior consistent across devices. Now let's add the logo. Click Add, select Image, then Upload and choose your logo file. Use the crop frame to fine-tune the visible area. Leave a little breathing room around the edges, and click Accept. With the image selected, open the Appearance tab to customize how it looks. Adjust the size to match your header height and set the alignment to left, center, or right depending on your design. Add padding or margins to balance the spacing within the container. For contrast, use a light logo on dark backgrounds and a darker logo on light backgrounds. If your file is large, consider reducing its dimensions for faster loading, and enable responsive sizing so it scales nicely on phones and tablets. As a rule of thumb, keep the logo modest. Around 120-180 pixels tall on desktop and smaller on mobile often looks polished without dominating the header. When you're happy with the look, click Done to confirm your changes. Preview your site and switch between desktop and mobile views to ensure the logo sits exactly where you want it and reads clearly at all sizes. If it appears too large or too small, hop back into Appearance and nudge the size until it feels balanced. And that's it. You opened your project, created a header container, marked the header with a control, added your logo image, cropped it, refined the appearance, and saved. Your card site now has a tidy, on-brand header that looks great across devices.